Hey everybody, welcome to another one of Chris's beer reviews. Today I'm going to be drinking Beau's all-natural seasonal bog water brew. We got a 600 milliliter bottle here at 6.6% ABV. This is brewed in Van Leek Hill, Ontario. It's considered to be flavored strong, and this is one of their winter seasonal brews. We got a red cap here. When I originally drank uh, Beau's or Beau's. I want to pronounce it properly, but I'm not too sure here. Beau hyphen S. Okay. Um, when I had their first lager, a lot of people were big fans of it, and I wasn't a big fan of it. And I had a dunkel from them at one point in time. That was good. Now I'm going to be having a bog water. So one could just imagine how earthy this beer is possibly going to be. It's got a little bit of a tag here, so I'll read it to you. The inspiration for bog water came from Alfred Bog, a truly unique feature of eastern Ontario. The malt and yeast profile is that of a Belgian double, a very contemplative and complex ale, and we added on an interesting twist. Instead of hops, we use wild harvest bog myrtle, herb used in brewing extensively until the 1500s. Bog myrtle adds bitterness, a sweet aroma, and herbal spicy notes. The result is a beer style we can claim is truly our own, an Eastern Ontario Groot. So it's really cool. It seems like I read a lot, but the whole other side is in French. So here goes. I'm going to pull this off. It's very cool. I'll show you the illustrations on the back here. We got a, country tractor trailer, which I'm so used to seeing because I grew up on the countryside, and some it's pictures of the group ale that they use, and it says ABC. So those are probably those are certainly going to be the things that are in this beer that are making the taste, giving it its taste. It says 1, 2, or sorry, A, B, and C. I wish it would give an explanation for each of them, but it doesn't. So, anyways, it's got some ingredients on the back. I'm going to try not to read it because I prefer to go on blind. Here's the pop stopper. Not really picking up anything off the bottle. Gorgeous color. Oh yeah, you can tell right away. This is going to be a good brew. We got a mahogany looking color here, incredibly dark red. We got a 2-finger head, off white, almost like a caramelized looking head. There we go. Oh yeah, you can really smell something different in there, and it definitely smells earthy, like I was talking about. You know what? Wow, man, that's really good. Definitely an incredibly unique taste. I'm really liking. What was it called again? What did I do with that tag? It was called Myrtle or something like that? Yes. That bog myrtle is really, really giving a unique taste and flavor to this. It's got a amazing earthy taste. It's actually quite unbelievable. I'm regretting not have bought more than one bottle. This is definitely something that I'm going to be looking for next time around. Per se, they have a 2012 or 2013 edition. So yeah, score Beau's all natural. You know what? It's really, really difficult to pick out the flavors of this. I am going to read the back. It says local spring water, organic barley malts, wild sweet gale, brewer's yeast, and organic hop. Can you blame me? It while you're drinking it, you really, really do get an organic feel to it, but it's really not too bitter, and it's actually quite enjoyable. It's almost kind of like a dark fruity, but a not sweet approach, and it's very earthy at the same time. I'm not happy with the lack of head, but it's phenomenal. Oh my gosh, this is good. Definitely phenomenal. I'm gonna give this uh, a 7 or an 8 out of 10. I'm kind of torn between the two, maybe a 7.5. All right, it's incredibly good. Um, I, X-nay on the head A, but you really do get a mouthful of carbonation in there. It's just it's really strange to me how you're not getting any head whatsoever, and at the same time you're getting a lot of carbonation. It's probably got something to do with uh, either the organicness of this brew or um, or the sheer fact that they're using like bog myrtle here. Okay, it's really good though. Like, look, it just looks sandy now. Anyways, people, this is a great brew. Definitely worth a try. Give it a try. I don't know what the price was to this, but it also being 6.6% ABV, I'm definitely picking up on something in there. There's not, you don't really taste the alcohol. That being said, it's not flat whatsoever, and it's got a really nice coating on the inside of my mouth. That's definitely something that is a plus here, because it's almost kind of like, you know, a layer on the inside of my cheeks, but it's very flavorful, very flavorful. So that's it. Thanks for joining me on another one of Chris's beer reviews. Don't drink and drive, but drink responsibly. Cheers.